So let's go ahead and jump into our programming. So as usual, doc type HTML. So what do we do is like we just separate the events, okay? Or yeah, we'll just separate. We'll see how what else we can do because I don't have anything in mind as of now. I'm so dynamic actually, just like programming. I just head title. So here in the title, as usual, or Tutoslive JS events. Let's say part one. Yeah, I'll split it. So here, first it's about click, right? So let's write a button here. Input type equal to button. Okay. Some name is something. I don't know. Let's use Twitter Bootstrap. Okay. So how do we use? We use with the link href equal to, let's use CDN. Let me just go there. Twitter Bootstrap CDN. So here is this, and let's use the minimum. Let's use the min.js. Oh, sorry, min CSS. Okay, and rel equal to style sheet. Right. So here name is, I don't let's forget about name. Let's give some ID. Test event, I'll say. Let's give a name too, not a problem. Test event. Okay, and here it's a class equal to, so Twitter Bootstrap classes for button is button, button large, and button, oops, button, let's say primary. Okay, there is a placeholder too. Oh, we don't have placeholder, I'm sorry. And there will be a value to use button actually, or let's say we can write in a different way too. If it's Twitter Bootstrap, no need of type equal to button actually. And I know I have written the spelling wrong here of ID, so it's event. So what I do is, let's use the button tag itself. So here I'll write click me. Oh, click me. It's a button. Okay, save this. JS events part 1.html. Use this. Right, let's see. So any questions in Twitter Bootstrap, Taufik? I just used a CDN over there, and I know the classes because I work with Twitter Bootstrap a lot. So the class for button is button, button large, button primary. Primary gives us a blue color over there. So let's see how does it look like. Oh, it does not change anything. Maybe let's see what is there. Did it look actually Twitter Bootstrap? Let's see. Oh, it's here. Yes. Well, it's not button large, maybe button primary, let's say. That's the reason it could not. But it should still work. I don't know the reason why it ain't working. But yeah. Okay, let's see now. Now there is some real problem. Okay. The reason for that is this. We come here. What's up? Class is there. Oh, what is this undefined? There's a problem over there. Something. Just let me check. Link is right. Oops. What's wrong with you? It is undefined. Yeah, the same. The same. It's a minified version. That's it. It's just a minified version. Instead of writing a lot of code, we can just write. See, I'll show you. It's good that we use minified versions every time because it does not take much time. If you can see here, yeah, this is the problem actually. It's not taking actually. CDN. I don't know what's the problem really is, but let's use our default, or what you say. We already have a bootstrap class over there, which is in CSS, I guess. So here, CSS bootstrap.css. Let's see. It's not taking the CDN version over there. Now there's a problem again. Let's see. We don't have it in that. Maybe styles. Yeah, styles. It's not CSS. It's styles. Actually, the folder. Yeah. Now we'll get the result. So just closing this. Still there's a problem. We don't have maybe the file. So what does the name of it? Oh, min.css. So I'll come here. I don't want this. So refresh. Yeah, it worked, but it does not look so good. So what we do is div class equal to, I'll say, container. Container is again a default class. Div, then again I'll write another div class equal to row. So I'm just, as a revision, I'm doing this. It's not necessary that you also do the same. Let's see what. I'll just close this. This is really killing me. So yeah, still there's a problem there. I'll say here top. Let's define a class here. Style. Here I'll say top. Let's say margin top. Let's say 20 pixel. Yeah, sounds good. So now this is our Twitter Bootstrap button.